Say hello.
Hi.
Today is a 9.
Hi, this is Araceli, and today I'm gonna be making horchata for my special guest. So for the horchata, I put a cup and a half of rice in water last night with 2 cinnamon sticks. I'm gonna do 2 evaporated milks, 1 condensed milk, 3 tablespoons of coconut, and this is 1 cup of sugar. I'm gonna make it in here because, and I'm making a lot because my pitcher that I was originally gonna use broke. So this, I measured it because people want measurements, and it's 4, this is 4 cups, so this is 20 cups of water. I ran out of water, so I'm using bottled water. So far, I've put in 4. These are more than a cup though. They're 16.9 fluid ounces. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do half. I'm gonna do half. Spilling it. Half of the rice, and I just threw in 1 cinnamon stick. Right? Let me put a little bit more. And I'm gonna put this to blend. I'll throw in some milk also. All right, and I'm just gonna blend it for a couple of minutes. All right, so it's blended for a while. Then I'm gonna put it in this. And then I'm gonna put the other half and in this one, I'm gonna put my 3 tablespoons of coconut. And I'm gonna add a little bit of water because it didn't have that much water. And I'll do 1 of the milks. And I probably spilled some. All right. And I need to do the vanilla, which I put this in the sink because I did the. So I'm gonna add vanilla, pure vanilla extract. I'm gonna do a teaspoon. And since actually this is a lot that I'm making, I've never made this much at one time, I'm gonna go ahead and do 2, and hopefully it's not too much. And then I'm gonna blend it again for a few minutes. All right, so this one too has blended for a couple of minutes. And then I just pour this in here too. And I'm making a mess. You just gotta squeeze it out until it's all done. Okay, all right, so I have squeezed out as much as I can from here. And then I'm just gonna move this to the sink. And then I have my cup of sugar that I'm gonna add. And now I'm gonna add this milk. And while that's pouring out in here, I'm gonna rinse this spoon. And scoop out as much as I can. And then okay, so then I need to mix this up really, really good. And I'm gonna add more water. So I measured, it was, with this is what I used to measure the water with. And I made a mess, but all right, so I have mixed it pretty thoroughly, and now I'm gonna get some ice. This is coming out so slow. Okay, so I got the ice. Wait, that's fine. And I'm gonna pour some in here. Oh, I am just like, I would not be a good waitress. I spill too much. And the reason why I'm not using the nozzle is, one, I don't know if it's gonna clog it, and two, I have a mess here to clean before I can turn it and move it. And I will taste test this.
Oh my goodness. You're doing wonderful.
And this is actually super delicious. I was worried because I've never made this much, but I'm happy I did the measurements. It came out really good. So I hope you try it and you like it. And if you do, hit like and subscribe.
This is very good horchata. You should try it. Delicious. Goodbye.
Try it.
Let me try it. See if
They
it's
fight. They
Look
fight
at
for
it
the
alive.
horchata. It's so delicious.
Let me try it. I'm gonna try it.
Gotta get close up of his face because there's gonna be a surprise shock here. Right
Mmm.
there, you saw that? Did y'all see the eyebrow lift real quick?
Was it good?
Yeah, oh, the best horchata I haven't tasted.